Transformations in Lazpaint. Move layer options helps us to move a layer freely. Aligning options aligns a layer to a canvas. Knowing shortcuts of align a shape feature is useful. Rotate tool helps to rotate a layer from center of an image. Use right mouse button to set center of rotation to different place. Holding Ctrl and rotating will rotate in 15-degree increment. Zoom tool scales an image. Use right mouse button to set center of scaling to different place. Flip horizontal and flip vertical are used for flipping an image. Perspective tool provides 4 points to distort an image. Edit Shape tool can be used to scale, move, and rotate. If we have more shapes in a layer, we can transform them separately by using Edit Shape tool. If we use tools available in Layers window, it will affect all shapes. Texture Mapping tool helps us to make a pattern out of an image texture that we create. It gives 4 points to distort the texture. Deformation grid allows us to set size of grid. Now points can be dragged to deform the layer. Move grid without deformation button. is also useful. Image menu have transform options like resample, rotate, flip, which will transform all layers, treating them as a single layer.